Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.
Kinong shnong ke Mukroh ha ka step khat santrik nailar ka badai ke sengi rakhe ya ke jingdap nyopu khandai snem ke jingyok lai luit ke ri India ne Independence Day kila kendit ban yo iya ka lama rong yong ka balasi ha pedang ke shnong Mukroh West Giant Hills District. Habaya kiran bat kinong yalam shnong kila ya thu bahaduk mentah kim pat tim manu balasi ya katei ka lama yong bat kisuba ba kala bandai ka jingbitar halor ka jingbom la jong ka sorkar Meghalaya ban pensange ya ka jing kentur put jong ka Assam sha uput usam jong ka shnong Mukroh West Giant Hills District. Kinong yalam shnong kila penkan mau ba mentahi usnam ka Assam lingba ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council kala kentur syauput usam jong ka shnong Mukroh haki kentot kli sanaro bat salang da ka ba penjulor ya ki klau ki petap ki penthor ki hali na ka bentaban shna surok batung Selasha. Halor kene kila ya thu ba kila ut lanam ya ka sorkar Meghalaya bat ya ki bor penyai district nadu ka jing sedang jong ka te ka jing kentur put kentur sam jong ka Assam. Henry kila ong ba ka jing ut jing nam jong ki kala syukut no klem seiso namar haduk mentah ka jing kentur put jong ka Assam kadang yai beteng.
What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't take a note, remember once more.